And then from this moment, every place where they are, go and remove them. The IT department prays, if they are in that particular forum, government forum, remove them immediately. Thank you.
You see, why PM is giving order to remove them from other platforms, she was really saying thank you, because the mission have not been accomplished. Until now that she told you that now she will not show you why she joined the struggle. They are always eager to show that their strength.
Okay, thank you, Obatobi.
Everything, thank you, Obatobi. God bless you.
From this moment, every place where they are, go and
this one. Thank you, Obatobi. God bless you. Thank you, God bless you.
In that particular forum, government forum.
Ekpa. I don't know about AK here. Don't mind the issue of AKC, because those things are just a way of lying to people. Now let's hear this one.
You respect Samaneba, you respect those that Samaneba appointed. The same thing you did to the CRC, you went there and insulted all of them, and then only Samaneba is the one because of Samaneba, you respect those that Samaneba appointed. The same thing you did to the CRC, you went there and insulted all of them, and then only Samaneba is the one because of Samaneba, you came there. All those things are eye services, all of you.
Eye service.
Betrayers. And I said it a few days ago, that those who leaked the information about Arewa suspension, that God will expose you. And that's what is happening now. Whether it is you or not you, it is connected to you. Because you have said exact thing that those who use it to do program have said. So if it is not from you directly, it must have leaked from you to the third party. So Cabinet, this is what I want to present to you today. Carolina, indefinite suspension, Adadorama 4 weeks. And if she go out there to make any program against this government, against the cabinet, she will never come back to this cabinet. She'll never come. Thank you. You respect Samaneba, you respect those that Samaneba appointed.
So this is it, my people, and I don't want to say much, although you have said a lot. So we are going to take just 2 or 3 calls, then we call it a day. All right. I don't want to waste much time on that. We have spent a lot of time trying to analyze this video, trying to analyze it. Let me just take a few calls then, if possible. So if you want to contribute, this is the time, and just don't call and have a long speech. Just few, maybe 2-3 minutes. You allow others to call so that we can. Hello, my brother. Hello? Hello? What happened? Hello?
Hello, Kai, my brother.
Yes, so I can see you.
Thank you.
Hey, Nat.
And do you know why I'm laughing?
No.
I am laughing because this is the